Whether you are an e-commerce brand, PR agency, manufacturer, or in agriculture, you must face the challenges in managing your digital content and improving your overall productivity. Unlike other DAM providers, iMediaflow has been designed to allow you to implement, manage, and collaborate your digital content in a flexible workflow that suits all types of industries and different departments across an entire organization. Running a charity, a museum, or an online gallery? We have the right solution for you to store, manage, and share high-volume media files in an organized and hassle-free workflow. Your content is managed in a streamlined and efficient workflow that is specific to your industry with our patented technology, True CV and True Tagging. Our unique advanced technology helps keep your digital assets secure, safe, organized, and instantly accessible to users anywhere, anytime. So visit www.imediaflow.com and get started today.